Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Access Bank account online on our computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Access Bank account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And then the search bar, click over there and type in the address accessbank.com. And after that, enter. And over here guys, you'll be on the home page of Access Bank. Now in order to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the login button available for us. Tap on that login button. And over here guys, either you'll be required to choose your personal business online banking or your personal online banking. We'll be just going to the personal banking, and over here enter your user ID or your access ID of your account, and after that enter your password over here. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always repeat from over here where it says the forgot password. And that being said guys, after entering username and your password, simply click on the login button available over here, and then you'll be signed into your Access Bank account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how to log into your Access Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.